What's up, people? So, yes, as you've seen on the thumbnail, we are buying another project. What is it? You'll have to wait and see. This is Dexter, the man we're buying off the new project. So here it is. We're just trying to load it up by hand, which is finding quite difficult, isn't it? Exciting. Yeah. Right, got it all loaded up.
I'm playing with the dog.
Christopher. Yeah, so we've got coilovers with it, some other bits and bobs, but we've got it all on now, so we'll...
Where's the dog? Where's the ball?
I don't know. So, we'll got to unload it now. Back up to the unit A. Unload it. See you in a bit. Got the comp truck back and we've pulled all the vehicles out because the comp truck is going to be going just over there. This is all the imp stuff. The imp's getting sold and has been sold, sorry, and that's going on Monday. So that can get put at the door ready to go with all its gear over there. Honda's gone, not gone, it's going. Kieran's come and getting his truck today, so we should have some space back. But we've finally got a Tomcat.
Been waiting on for a long time, I have.
Yeah, and we've wanted to do.
First came out.
We've been wanting to do Comp Safari, haven't we? And that's what we're going to build that one for.
Yeah.
It's full-blown Comp Safari. We want to be able, in that, we want to be able to go fast, do jumps, and it land perfectly fine. That's why when we bought it, I had to sell this Civic so that we could get the coilovers and the bump stops that are on it. Otherwise, they'd have been sold separately. Well, without that, but we wanted them because we want to be able to do everything possible in that and be fine with it. Yeah. The series is still going to have the PD swap, and we're going to use that for Winch Challenge. So we're going to have the two trucks, and we're going to have, hopefully, do a lot of playing next year. We're going to get them built. Let's go have a look. But we're hoping with this that it's not going to be like forever to do. I mean,
too much trouble. Yeah,
because obviously engine in that out of that red TD5 is what we're going to use to put straight back in it. It had a TD5 in it. It should bolt just straight back in. We've got a gearbox and a transfer box. That engine that's in that, we're going to pull it out, send it down to Dex, who we bought this off. He's now started up. I think he's calling it his business. I don't know, but I will double check. I think it's DP. No, yeah, DP. Dexter. I don't know what it's. DPL. Dexter Paul Lenihan.
DPL Motors or something.
DPL.
Yeah, I don't know what
something. I can't remember what he said, but I will find out and I'll write it just here. Yeah, so I'm going to get that engine out. I'm going to give it to him, and he's going to fully strip it down and do his magic to it. He's sponsoring us with that, so I'm going to do everything I can to get his name out there. Yeah, so he's going to build that, and that's the engine that will be going back in here. We're going to put, what was the radiator he said it was? A V8 Range Rover rad, which is what was in it, so that can go straight back in. Some things, like the winch tray, there's a big winch tray in the back here, because this was a winch challenge truck before. That's going to get cut out. We don't need everything that we don't need weight wise.
Mate,
we're going to cut out.
Convert that to battery tray because I don't like batteries.
Why?
Right in front of the wheel, everything gets.
Yeah, but it's going the other way.
Yeah, but it don't
Yes, maybe, yeah. Well, there's a lot of head scratching to do yet, anyway.
Toolbox here. Oh no, fuel tank.
That's where the fuel tank was, but I'd like to put the fuel tank a bit further up.
Yeah.
But I've got that fuel tank hamper that's in the container, so we'll put that one there. Fuel pumps, radiator. It's
We got all the fuel tanks down.
yeah, it's fuel pumps are done. What's it had all on? Jake.
Yeah.
There's some things that are still on it which we'll utilise like that. So we might as well use that, haven't we? There's a few of them in it. We're going to rewire it, obviously. D2 axles under it. We're going to make our own truss kit, so that'll be something else that we're going to produce.
Yeah, D2 axles.
D2 axles, truss kit. Put them coilovers on. We need to get the springs and then the coilovers all set up again, because I think they'll be a bit too soft for what we want. So we'll have to get them set up. Send it off somewhere, yeah, maybe once it's finished. But yeah, and then all the fiberglass panels, we're going to have a go at making some new ones, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, we've got the smashed ones, because this has been rolled, obviously,
Yeah.
so all the fiberglass got smashed. I didn't get the bonnet. I didn't get the bonnet.
No, but I can get it.
Get the bonnet again, but the bonnet looks a bit bad actually, because it's where it hinges, it's snapped off, and they haven't got the bit where it's snapped off.
Well, didn't you say you wanted to make it like a series?
Yeah.
So they were both
something like
matching. So we could make our own, but it's going to have the bulges in for the coilover tops. So
Well, I say we'll get that bonnet off it.
Yeah.
Maybe adapt it.
Way up. But yeah, it should really be quite a quick turnaround.
Yeah.
We say.
We'll see.
We need to
I've
get.
still got jobs to do,
We've got the wiring job to finish. As soon as that's obviously done, this will be. I know we said they were going to do the PD first though.
I know, yeah. Well, this is what happens, isn't it?
Yeah. But I mean, what's stopping us getting them both next to each other? We've got to build a set of axles for them both, so we might as well have a set of axles sat there for them both.
We've got two sets of axles, haven't we?
Yeah, we'll just send them off getting powder coated. We'll make the truss kits for them all together in the same bit.
I'll get the truss kits first before powder coat.
No, sorry, send them off for sandblasting, not powder coating. Send them off for sandblasting.
Yeah.
Are you wanting to keep this tube front end on?
Well,
We're
we
going to
don't
put
know
them
yet.
fiberglass wings over the top.
Let's get it on axles and see what it looks like and see what we need to do. Because I do want to make it look like a series, because we've got a series already.
Yeah.
We want to do the
Need
same.
to bolt the
don't we?
steering, power steering.
Yeah. We might have to see how they cut the frame out there for the.
Axle.
I know it was. Yeah. Well, it had the
Panels.
Y61s on it, didn't it? So
Oh, that'll be for the hydro steer.
Yeah. So we may have to re-weld that back up again.
What for? Strength or what?
Yeah.
Nah, there's plenty. Look at it, it's been reinforced.
Oh, yeah.
We found that. Look, it's been reinforced all the way down here.
Yeah.
We found.
Yeah, it should be good. Yeah. So, yeah, just see what originally fitted where and see if we can make it look like a series front end on it. Because I would like that.
Yeah, we set on it. They're both matching then, aren't they?
Anyway, come on, let's crack on.
So yeah, now we're going to get it in the corner, put it away. We're going to see if Rob, the landowner, can lift us it in. Men, what a day. We've got our new Comp Safari race truck, so all the stuff's back in the unit now. Just got to take this trailer back and we'll go back up tomorrow and have a rethink and see what to do. See you tomorrow. Hey up! So, it's the next day. Not much happening from me today, to be honest. I'm just going to tidy up the unit as we've done a bit and it's a bit of a mess again. Obviously we've put everything over there. Murph is up to his normal stuff.
Up to my eyes, isn't it?
Wiring this Defender up, which you've got loads done, to be fair.
I could do with
What?
just a lift in a minute, just to
Yeah.
trace a wire from it.
Yeah, but looking good.
Yeah.
So after we've tidied up, me and Dad we are gonna have a little chat, and we're gonna put a bit of a list together of everything we need to be doing with the series and with the Comp Safari. So with the Winch Challenge series and the Comp Safari TD5. The Civic's gone. Well, it's not gone. It's still here, but it's going. And the Imp is going on Monday, so we'll have loads of room again, which I can't wait for. But yeah, right, we'll just crack on then, yeah?
Let's go.
See you in a bit. That just wants stripping.
Obviously, engine out, gearbox out,
Stripping.
wings off, seats out, all the aluminium inside.
So engine, axles off donor, so that's the axles for that part of it. Engine is going to Dexter, isn't it? So we've stripped it, bare down to everything. The axles are all off. It's just a chassis, no panels on it, no seats in it, no nothing. You can see all the frame, the engine's out. Yeah. If anybody wants this engine, please let me know. Yeah. We will sell it at a very good price. The money will go towards funding these, so.
Yeah, that's it.
If you want, drop me a message. Yeah, 88. So if we want to go 100 inch.
Yeah, that brings you like, the centre of your wheels there. Your wheels are over here.
That's fine though, doesn't really matter.
Yeah, but you'll have to get rid of all.
Yeah, that front bumper's going anyway. Yeah, so 2 new projects, a lot to do. We are going to get that bleeding Defender done, and as soon as that Defender's done, we're going to come in here and we're just going to absolutely blast it between these two. And we'll get that thing from outside, pull the engine out, get that to Dexter, as we spoke about.
When I'm not working away or looking after me.
Yeah, so it'll just be me, mainly. And Rob!
Woo.
Got some work to do, pal. You excited?
Yes.
Are you up for it?
Oh yeah, buzzing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You down for a bit of stripping? The stripping down part is all right. I quite enjoy the stripping down.
Oh no.
And then you go, oh, what for done?
No, I'm turning up for the ride in it. That's all I'm doing.
Yeah. But to get there, Rob, we need you. You're gonna have to come out on some late nights. You're gonna have to let Lucy know. Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, he's not saying nothing.
Kept his mouth shut.
Well, I'll move in now.
Yeah.
We can save that
I'll get your
argument.
event set up in court. In fact, I'll buy you a caravan with heating in it and everything. So
Well,
there you go, Lucy.
you know what? That's on camera now, so you've got to buy me a caravan.
I'll buy you a caravan. If that gets you up here, mate, I will buy you a caravan and put it in there, and you've got somewhere to stay.
Just keep coming around to mine, sabotaging the landing.
Yeah.
And you'll forever have me around.
Yeah. Give me this camera. That was an hour of Rob stood there going, freezing his tits off. He sat there in a t-shirt. It is cold there, to be fair. So anyway, that is all we've got time for in this video. I mean, I don't know if you enjoyed that or not, but these are the plans that we've got coming along. So us three are going to be very busy. Yeah, so like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Rob.